Good morning. We are on the roof of claim 01-009-024108 for Mr. Kartchner. I have a damaged shingle right here. I'm going to be documenting the removal and repair process of it. In order to get this damaged shingle out, I need to manipulate the two rows above it to get the nails out. Tools we'll be using: standard roof snake and a roofer's hatchet. If we run into any fracturing, creasing, hinging of the shingles, we will document that with video and photos. Let's go ahead and get started. I'm removing the nails using the tail end of my hatchet to lift up the above shingle just high enough to get visual of the nail. I'm noticing granule loss as I lift these up to gain access to the nail. Bent a little bit. And one more. Alright, first row should be out. Moving on to the second. Again, I'm not manipulating these shingles any more than I have to. You see these nails, some of these are a little high nailed past the nail line, about an inch above where they should be, but that's okay. We still can get access to them just fine. That should be all of them. Oh, we got a straggler somewhere. I don't see any there. Oh, we got one right here. There's the straggler. One in the corner. Alright, damaged shingle has been removed. Replacing it with a standard 30-year. You can find these at any local big box or roofing supply store. Exposure and width looks good. Proceeding with the nails to resecure. As I hit these nails in, I'm seeing some creases start to form from the above shingles. Granules are falling out with each hammer strike. First row is in, moving to the second. And last nail going in now. Alright, repairs have been completed. I'm going to show you what I'm looking at now. We'll get that in a minute. I'm seeing some hinging and fracturing up here. I'll get close-up photos because I'm not sure if you can see it in the video, but it definitely appears that this is a fail attempt. If I barely lift this up, you can already see the appliques are starting to crease. So this would be deemed a failed attempt repair. In order to fix one shingle, we've effectively damaged 1, 2, and 3 shingles in the process. I would highly ask you guys to reconsider the repairability aspect of this claim. Thank you for watching and have a good day.